What do you see on the floor?
I see my wheel.
What's this, Gavin? What's this?
Footprints.
Footprints. Can you say Happy Thanksgiving? Say Happy Thanksgiving. Gavin, look at the camera and say Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Good job.
Come on.
In a minute.
Come on.
Say cheese.
Cheese. Cheese.
Cheese.
Are you sleeping?
Come on, Mama.
Come on, where?
You gonna count the footprints again?
Where's the footprints? Show me them. Where are they? Oh, let me think.
Ah, that.
Whose hat's that? That Nana's hat?
Nope.
Yeah. Where's the pretty roses? I see them pretty roses. Yeah, a pillow. Oh, I like to lay down. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, those are pretty. Purple? Are they purple?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, so nice. Yeah. Nice, pretty flowers. It's pretty. Yeah, you know it. It's pretty.
There's the other one. I see you. Yeah.
Are you sleeping? Is that why you're snoring?
Snoring?